When I had a Christian tell me, you worship an angry God, I pulled out my Quran. I said, read chapter 1. What does it start with? In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. I said, read chapter 2. What does it start with? In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. I said, read chapter 3. What does it start with? He said, in the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. I said, I guess what? Every single one of these chapters, except for chapter 9, all the way to 114, is going to start like this. This is how our Lord introduces himself to mankind. Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim. So don't tell me I worship an angry God. The Prophet ﷺ said, you will find your Lord as you see him, as you vision him. Not physically, but as you see him. If you see Allah is angry and wrathful, and all you think is I'm gonna go to hell, that's probably what you're gonna find. Because that will change the way you see things. It will change your psychology. It will change your mentality. And you will not seek after Allah's forgiveness. If you don't see him as forgiving.